How to remove ads in TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, you will see Remove Ads or Go Premium option depending on your app version. Tap on it and you will see the available subscription plans that removes ads from your TextNow app. Choose the plan that suits your best, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. Once your payment is confirmed, your TextNow app will be ad-free, giving you a cleaner and uninterrupted messaging and calling experience. Enjoy a faster and smoother app performance without annoying interruptions. You can also explore premium features that enhance your overall TextNow experience. Now you know how to remove ads in TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.